Dear students, now we will take the next part of French Revolution. Dear students, the topics to be covered here are French abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic, the Jacobins Club, the Reign of Terror, Directory rules France, all of the Directory. Now, first topic to be taken is France abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic. Monarchy, it is the rule of the king. Now, Louis XVI had signed the constitution in 1791, but he had different plans. At the same time, he entered into the secret negotiations with the King of Prussia. The rulers of the neighboring countries, seeing this, were worried the development of revolutionaries in France, and they made plans to send troops to stop the revolutionary events which were taking part in France. And before this could happen, a National Assembly, which composed of the third estate people, who were the taxpayers, voted in April 1792 to declare a war against Prussia and Austria. Thousands of volunteers joined this war, and they joined the army from the various provinces in the nearby area. People saw this war as a war against the kings and aristocracies all over Europe. And the volunteers sang a patriotic song, Marseillaise, composed by Roget Islay, and they marched from Marseilles to Paris. And now this has become the national anthem of France, and it became so popular at that time. Now, the Revolutionary War brought what? They brought losses and economic difficulties to the people. The Constitution of 1791 gave political rights only to the richer sections of the society, and women and other people were neglected. Political clubs were established by the people because they wanted to discuss government policies and plan their own forms of action, and because they were not happy with King Louis XVI. And the most successful clubs of that time was that of the Jacobins. The members of the Jacobin Club belonged to the less prosperous sections of the society, such as shopkeepers, artisans, daily wage workers, and their leader name was Maximilien Robespierre. And Jacobins wore long striped trousers and came to be known as sans-culottes, literally meaning those without knee breeches. In this picture, we see a couple standing wearing trousers, long striped trousers, which were the dress of the members of the Jacobin clubs. In the summer of 1792, the Jacobins planned a revolt of large number of people of Paris who were angered by the short supplies and high prices of food. At the same time, on August 10, they stormed the palace of Tuileries, massacred the king guards. Massacre means he was killed, and held the king himself as a hostage for several hours. Later, the National Assembly voted to imprison the royal family, and elections were held in France. And from now, all men of 21 years and above, regardless of wealth, got the right to vote, and the new elected assembly was called as Convention. On 21st September 1792, they abolished monarchy, the king's rule in France, and declared France as a republic. Republic means that they will choose their representatives. Louis XVI was sentenced to death by the court on the charge of betraying their own country, and his queen met with the same fate. The Reign of Terror. The period from 1793 to 1794 is referred as the Reign of Terror, as Robespierre followed the policy of severe control and punishment. All his enemies, ex-nobles, clergymen of the other political parties, even the members of his own party, did not agree with his methods. They were arrested, imprisoned, and guillotined. Guillotine means beheaded. Robespierre Government issued laws placing a maximum ceiling of wages and prices. Meat and bread was rationed during this period. Peasants were forced to sell their grains at a price fixed at the government. The use of more expensive white flour was forbidden. Forbidden means they could not use it, and the citizens had to eat the bread made up of whole wheat. Instead of his traditional titles like the Monsieur or the Madame, all French men and women were addressed as citizen or citizen. Now churches were shut down and their buildings were converted into barracks and offices. And finally, because of his brutality, he was convicted by the law in July 1794 and he was arrested and guillotined the next day. So this period from 1793 to 1794 is termed as a period of reign of terror. So this is a very important part of the lesson. After the rule of Jacobins, there was directory rule in France. A new constitution was introduced which denied the vote to the people who did not have any property. It provided for 2 elected legislative councils which then appointed a directory which composed of executive made of 5 members. And it did not stay long there because the directors often clashed with each other with the legislative councils who then sought to dismiss them, and the political instability of the directory paved the way for the rise of military dictator known as Napoleon Bonaparte.